The only tool you'll need to attach the propeller is provided in the prop box. Just tighten the prop nut with it. Put the prop on, most important, grease to start with. Put your shear pin through, which is the pin that breaks instead of the prop breaking, and also it locks your prop in place. There's where your shaft goes through. There's where your pin sits in. We'll now locate the prop onto the pin. Just a matter of putting it on, give him a wiggle. Take your prop nut, screw it on. There's a tool that comes in the box that we showed earlier in the tools. Just lock it on your prop nut, give it a turn, turn your prop the other way, and that's it, tight, done.